The question says there are 2,500 persons who bought tickets to see a village fair. The adult paid 75 paisa each for their admission ticket, but the children paid 25 paisa each. If the total receipt amounted to rupees 1503, using an equation method, find how many children and adult saw the fair. Okay. Now here we have to find the number of children and the number of adult. So let us consider number of children equal to x and number of adult, let it be equal to y. Now if I add number of children and number of adult, it will give me 2,500 person who bought the ticket. So here I can get the first equation as x plus y is equal to 2,500. You can see there are total 2,500 person going to see the fair. Out of those, number of children have been considered as x and number of adult have been considered as y. So our first equation will be x plus y is equal to total number of person. Now how to get the second equation? See, question says that the adult are paying 75 paisa each. Now you can see number of adult at 70 is y and each adult is paying 75 paisa. So that means collection from adult will be 75y and the children paid 25 paisa. Number of children are x and each child is paying 25 paisa. So collection from children will be 25x. Now as you can see, adult is paying 75 paisa. So collection from adult will be 75y. Each child is paying 25 paisa. So collection from children will be 25x. So 25x is the collection from children plus 75y is the collection from adult, and the total is rupees 1,503. Now as you can see, collection from children is in paise, collection from adult, that is also in paise. So we need to get the total collection in paise. Here total collection is 1,503. So you will multiply it by 100. So in this way you will get collection in paise. Now as you can see, this equation can be reduced by 25. So let us reduce it by 25. So we will getting x plus 3y is equal to, you will reduce it by 25. So this will reduce 100 how many times? 4 times. So 4 3s are 12 and 15 into 4 60. So this will give you 6012. That's equation number 2. So here we have got the two equations. Now let us solve these two equations simultaneously. Now you can see in these two equations, coefficient of x is same. So what we will do, we will simply subtract the equation. So I'm going to subtract the second equation. So here you can see x will be eliminated. So I will be getting 3y minus 3y plus y will give us minus 2y is equal to, and when you subtract this you are getting minus 3,512. So from here I can get value of y. So value of y will be minus 3512 upon minus 2. So when I solve it, I am getting y is equal to, you reduce it by 2, 2 1s are, 2 7s are, 2 5s are, 2 6. So value of y we have got 1756, and what y is representing? Number of adult. Now we need number of children, that is x. So let's solve. Now we are using the first equation. In the first equation, let's substitute y. So when you subtract it, we're getting 744. So this we have got number of children, and y was representing number of adult. So in the question they have asked you to find the number of adult and the number of children.